this video, I'd like to go through demonstrating how to join a Teams meeting using the web browser. In this example, I've sent an email to a Gmail account. You should receive a similar email. All you have to do is to click on the Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. You'll be prompted with a question here to open Teams. Choose Cancel. Over here you have the options to choose. In this case, we're going to be choosing Continue using this browser. You'll be prompted to give your browser access to the microphone and camera, which is important. So click on Allow. And then just enter your name and click on Join Now. You can select the options here for if you want your webcam or your camera to be enabled straight away. At this point, you'll be placed inside the lobby and the organizer of the meeting should let you in. Okay, thank you.